So I'm here with Tsunami. Look at him, like a handsome man.
What's up?
I'm here with Gunnar Dota.
Hello.
Сегодня, ребята, возле меня великий Рома Resolution.
Здорово.
Ребята, я тут встретил Снейра, офигенный комментатор. Here is snaking, Tundra Champ.
Yes.
Hey, the Legend Boxing here.
Hello, hello.
So here's Stormstormer, the best one, mid laner.
Oh, thank you. I mean, I'm blushed. Thank you, sir.
If you can get any item from Dota in real life, what are you gonna choose?
Tough question. Either Blink Dagger or Boots of Travel. Level 2.
Okay.
Teleporting around.
Smoke of Deceit. Invisibility is always kind of cool.
Yeah.
Blink Dagger.
Blink
for
Dagger.
Sure. For sure, Blink Dagger. Yeah.
Maybe Boots of Travel.
Okay, if I had a TP scroll or Boots of Travel, what are my towers and creeps? Because I would like to have fast transportation. Otherwise, Blink Dagger is probably the more.
Yeah.
I'll take a Blink Dagger then.
Blink Dagger.
Okay.
Nice.
Слушай, ну это между двумя предметами на самом деле. Между блинком и мантостайлом, наверное.
А Мантуса, почему?
Ну, чтобы быть в трех местах одновременно и делать всякие вещи прикольные сразу. Ну да, либо телепорт. Ну как бы телепорт тут непонятно, куда ты можешь телепортировать. Где тут аутпосты, где здесь фонтан.
Blink Dagger.
Blink Dagger.
Yeah.
Nice, actually. This one is must common answer.
Yeah, it has to be Blink Dagger or like a teleport scroll. Because if it's just buildings, right, you can TP to any building in the world.
Yeah, but I think it should be some friendly buildings.
Friendly buildings.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, yeah, probably Blink Dagger.
Blink Dagger. Окей, nice. Кто на этом турнире для тебя топ-игрок? Ну, твое мнение.
Probably Yatoro.
Yatoro.
Yeah.
Nice.
I think he's really good.
Liquid, Zybe.
Yatoro.
Yatoro.
There's things that I see Yatoro do sometimes, right? Where I'm just like, I didn't know this was possible to do in Dota. Yeah, Yatoro by far, definitely.
FY maybe.
FY.
I think it's Zai. I really think it's because we all knew he was kind of retiring, and this was his last tournament before he decides to take a break. So, but I still think he played really amazing, and I really like the guy. Yeah, there's definitely a chance he'll come back. We'll see in the future.
Я думаю, это Ятора.
Ятора.
Ну, для меня Ятора, да, потому что я уважаю керри-игроков. Для меня Ятора и Кейма. Мне нравятся вот истинные керри-игроки, которые ведут за собой команду, берут ответственность и исполняют при этом. Вот. И вот эти два игрока для меня вот прям топ. Ну, Ятора, понятное дело, что он как бы номер один, но Кейван это второй.
I'm rooting for Liquid because Zai's gotta get an Aegis, man.
Yeah.
It's been too long. Everyone
Yeah.
just kind of assumes that he's a TI winner. He's not yet. It's crazy.
Yes. Somehow he's not still.
Somehow he's not, but maybe this year.
Maybe this year. We'll see. We'll see.
Salem CYBERALAN.
Nice. Thank you, bro.
Salem CYBERALAN.
CYBERALAN.
Салем CYBERALAN.
Salim CYBERALAN.
Salem CYBERALAN.
Yeah, guys.
Салем CYBERALAN.
Всего. Спасибо тебе большое.
Не за что.